In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Monday.com pricing and costs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to understand the different plans so you can pick what fits your team. Start by heading to the Monday.com website. From the home page, look for the main navigation at the top and click on Pricing. This takes you to the central pricing page where all the plan options are laid out in a clear grid. It's designed to help you compare at a glance, and you'll notice that prices are typically listed per seat, with totals adjusting based on team size and billing cycle. On this page, the first plan you'll see is Basic. Think of Basic as the entry level for teams that need essential task tracking and a simple way to organize work. It covers the fundamentals without a lot of advanced features, which helps keep the cost lower if you just need the basics. Next is Standard. This is often the sweet spot for growing teams because it usually adds popular collaboration features, more board views, and useful automations and integrations compared to Basic. If you're starting to coordinate across departments or need more flexibility, this tier commonly provides a good balance of value and capability. Then there's Pro. Pro is built for advanced workflows, heavier automation needs, and deeper reporting. If you rely on complex dashboards, need more granular permissions, or want to scale processes with fewer manual steps, you'll find those tools typically included here. You'll also see higher usage limits and more customization options than in Standard. Finally, you'll see Enterprise on this main pricing page. Enterprise focuses on security, governance, and control at scale. It's tailored to larger organizations with strict compliance needs, advanced permissions, single sign-on, and audit features. Pricing here often involves a tailored quote, which is normal for enterprise-grade software. If you're evaluating larger scale options, look for the Business and Enterprise section and click into it. This view highlights the plans geared toward more advanced use cases. You'll see Pro presented here again, emphasizing its fit for complex workflows, and Enterprise, which emphasizes security, reliability, and administrative controls. In this section, you'll typically find more detail about enterprise features, and you may see prompts to speak with sales for custom packaging or pricing. As you review the plans, keep an eye on any toggles or selectors for team size or billing cycle, since those can change the price you see. Also, be mindful of regional taxes or currencies that may affect totals. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find Monday.com pricing and how to interpret each plan so you can choose with confidence.